thing is sweet.
Looks really taken care of too.
Yeah.
That is actually in really good condition.
Nice.
Wow.
Yeah, Nathan.
Yeah, now it's cool.
It's going down, yeah. Pre-operational inspection, it's important.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, got all the parts here for this car. Everything, got the tools, got the people. Gonna be working on this amazing machine today.
You know I'm working on my turbo, right?
Yeah, you are. How's that coming along? Yeah.
I was supposed to bring the car here today.
Oh, okay.
To do the exhaust.
Oh, really? Okay, okay.
So,
but plans changed. The priority right here.
Yeah.
That's okay.
No,
That's
because,
cool though. Yeah.
If I put my car here, this needs to go back and forth.
Right,
It doesn't have reverse. So.
I know. Exactly. So, Rafael, do you remember exactly? I mean, Rein told me briefly of what's going on with the reverse. It just happens like when it gets warm, right? It loses the reverse gear, or
yes. You have to rev it so high.
So high, right?
For it to move.
Oh, wow.
If it will move, because when it gets hot, it doesn't move anymore.
It doesn't move anymore. Gotcha.
So,
yep, definitely.
There's a transmission over there, the replacement.
Yep. Guys, welcome back to VITO'S Garage. Thanks so much for watching and tuning in. Today's going to be a really, I don't know if it's going to be a long video or not, but we have a big project. We have to replace the transmission on this Mercedes 190E. It's my friend's Rein's car. Beautiful machine, but he's been having issues with reverse gear not engaging when it's hot. It still engages when it's cold, but you have to kind of rev it high. So found good used transmission. We're going to replace that, and we're still going to save all the old stuff. So we're gonna save the old transmission because eventually I'm probably gonna start getting into rebuilding these transmissions at some point. I just need to find time and patience, and it's actually really good. I think Rein said he has like 3 or 4 used transmissions with bad reverse gears. So we're gonna get into that, and we're gonna start rebuilding them sometime in the future. I don't know when, but it's a good idea. Never throw away such parts. It's actually really good stuff to have, and because you never know when you're going to need it, and it's a good idea to just learn all this and how to rebuild transmissions. So it's one of the things I want to do, and yeah, but in today's video we're going to be replacing transmission on this 190E, so stay tuned. We have the setup while 190E is warming up, so we're going to move it a little bit, and then we're going to bring it right here onto the jacks. So you're good over here if you go. Yep, you're good over here. Yeah, you can turn to the right. Yep. Now go back. Go back a little more. Watch the back, Nathan. All right, now you're good. You can straighten this way, all the way. Now this way, yep. Go ahead. All right, good, good. I'll go back the same way, yep. All right, so we got the car pretty much all ready and jacked up. And these rubber blocks are there too.
Are we good on that one?
And we're good right there. Ready to get this transmission out of this car and install another one, right, Nathan?
Exactly.
Let me see this amazing old school camera right there. Yeah, this is the guy. Make sure you follow him on Instagram right there. He's got a bunch of cool pictures, and he also loves photography. So yeah, look at these nice wheels. The AMG.
Need your final okay
Yep.
one?
Let me look. So as you're doing it, I'm gonna watch. Okay.
Okay.
Hold on. Let me see if that side is already touching or not. Watch the hood.
It might be a fall pretty soon. The plate. Bumper.
Oh, the plate.
And then the hood too.
Yeah, the hood is okay. Let's lower the hood though before it hits that. Okay.
It's not gonna. I have to lift the thing, lift the aluminum thing, and then make it lock.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Like that. Gotcha.
It's still there? Yeah. Okay, let me press for 10 seconds. That way, there's absolutely no pressure. And uncount.
Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and remove this shield, which is nice. This car still has the original shield from the factory. It's 8. It's almost done. It's just one more bolt.
Yo, what's happening? Yo, are you way back? He's converting his 190 to an Evo.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, that's
and
cool.
He's got a C230, C36?
That's beautiful.
202 body, 203.
203.
And then
He souped it
got
up.
Oh, there it is, draining.
Oh, he bought a C43.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
He bought a C43.
What, 202?
202. Yeah, with a purple BBS wrap.
That's beautiful.
He got rid of the BBS wrap and he put in a
real one.
Now it's in neutral, you can turn it. You just grab that drive shaft and you turn it. Alright, so here's the progress we started. Rafael is removing the drive shaft right there, and I drained the torque converter and started removing a bunch of connectors and bolts that go all the way around. So we're gonna drop this transmission really soon.
Hello everybody, click like and subscribe.
You're already going?
Yeah.
Crazy, Nathan. Yeah. So taking the transmission out of this amazing machine, so it takes a little while, but we're, I would say, halfway there. We'll be dropped soon. Just taking this drive shaft out, heat shields. And everything. Yep. So this car will be back on the road. It's not that it was off the road, but it was just, you know, the transmission was having issues, so we're changing that.
I was taking a nap.
Yeah, it was just a winter hibernation. That's what it was. So we're gonna take this.
You have an open 14?
14 open. Yep, I believe so. Right here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go.
All right. And I'll put it back there. That way we know it needs to go back next.
Stuck.
What's your favorite part about using the hammer?
I love using the hammer. I hammer everything with the hammer. Without the hammer, I can't fix cars. I'm thinking we put some WD-40 on this now.
Easy blaster.
Yeah.
Or should we remove the other?
It's gonna be a little pan with the whole thing, so usually I take. What you doing, Nathan, over there? Oh. Yeah, just like that. A lot of it. Lubrication is #1 priority. Let's look at that. Never too much, you know. Keep it blasting. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'd like to lower this exhaust a little more. Rafael, are you there?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna.
One eternity later.
It's the worst, probably, transmission replacement ever. Spent so many hours trying to take the trans out because can't get to the top bolts. Pain in the ass. Trust me, I've done so many transmission swaps on 126s, 123s. I don't know, this one is a tough cookie, so yeah. But transmission is underneath. This is the transmission is gonna go in. I still gotta clean it a little more. I replaced a few seals here and there, and gonna install this trans. Wow, bro.
This filter looks new though. Allen key as well. Same time to help that.
Yeah.
Where did I put my Allen keys? Where did I put my set? I have a set. Where did it go?
Which set?
Allen.
There's a bunch of tools all over the place. One of these should fit.
Yeah, that's the 5. That one, or actually, this one's the 5 right here. And this one. Get the other ones. Oh, I found my key.
The key?
Here.
That's 5, you said?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna already kind of.
Okay.
Can I see my hammer? Should be a hammer over there. The green one.
Green hammer.
Green handle. You gotta clean all this area around.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's gonna.
Spray it.
All the stuff that you clean in the pan is gonna go in the pan. Also, I would actually cover this hole with something. That's where the. There's a bolt. Hold on.
Was here a spot where it should have been?
So yeah, so you just go really straight in, you know. So grab with both sides and go straight in. Yeah. Okay. Now kind of spin it, and then it has to go in, drop in.
More.
Mm-hmm.
It's not going in. Oops. Needs to go to that spot. There you go.
That's it.
Is there a hole for that thing? Yep, there is.
It does. So we're gonna transfer the stopper, the plastic stopper. Bottom. So I'm gonna tilt it.
Up. There you go.
Yep. So you push it, and then I'm gonna have to turn. So we're gonna use like pliers to turn it. Yeah, it fell out. It fell out.
Oh,
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm trying to find the canal. There you go.
Yep.
And then turn.
Counterclockwise a little bit. Counterclockwise a little bit. Yep. Nothing crazy. Oh, stop. That's it. Stays in there. So what this does is just stops the torque converter from coming out when you're installing the transmission. So it's really helpful.
Oh, that's just the purpose of that.
Yeah.
The light
Yeah,
is
where
coming from this
Rafael
way.
is, actually.
Yep.
You got it?